Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Let's Fly with Maddie. In this video, I'm just setting up the cockpit of this Boeing 737 MAX 8 fixed-base simulator to take off from runway 24 right of Toronto Pearson Airport, inbound Montreal International Airport. I'm setting up the overhead panel, MCP as well as FMCs to just make sure all the preparations are done, and just have in mind this video is just for demonstration and is not used for real life cockpit and training purposes. And here releasing the parking brakes and stabilizing the engines and pressing the toggle buttons on the throttles to have the aircraft rolling on the runway and takeoff. We'll be maintaining the center line and holding the right hand on the throttle, and just in case right before reaching V1 we can reject takeoff. And now we've reached the rotate speed, and now we're just climbing out of Toronto Pearson Airport. And shortly, as we have 2 positive rate of climb and altitude rising, we're just raising the landing gear. This is all followed by following the flight director on the primary flight display of the cockpit to reach the desired altitude. In this phase of the flight, as the aircraft is being prepared to land, the autopilot has been disengaged, and only thing that is running automatically is the auto throttle system. And plane is being controlled manually by following the flight director on the PFD, primary flight display, and also flying visually towards the runway. Now that the plane has landed, thrust reversers have deployed, and just slowing down on the runway to be able to vacate slowly and safely. I hope you enjoyed watching this demonstration of Boeing 737 MAX 8 takeoff and landing.